So we're staying in the interface.dwg file, and what we're going to look at now in the AutoCAD interface is the ribbon interface at the top of the screen and the panels that you have on the ribbon as well. Now you'll notice when you first start up AutoCAD and open up a drawing, in this case the interface.dwg file, that you've got the ribbon at the top of the screen and you can click on the ribbon tabs like so. So these ribbon tabs allow you to obviously access all the different commands available to you in AutoCAD. So there's the Insert tab, the Annotate tab, and as you work across, you've got Parametric, View, Manage, Output, A360 if you're using the internet-based A360 drive, and you've also got the AutoCAD Express tools, which are all the specific little funky tools that you have to do lots of little niche things such as align space, move, copy, rotate, and so on. Now I'm going to go back to the Home tab on the ribbon now, and you'll notice that when you're in the ribbon you've got these different panels. So in the Home tab on the ribbon you've got the Draw panel, the Modify panel, the Annotation panel, and so on and so forth. Now you'll notice when you move over the title bars of these panels, some of them highlight and some of them don't. The reason they highlight is because they've got a little flyout menu. If you click on the triangle there in the Draw panel, you'll notice you've got extra draw commands. And if you click on the little pin there, that pins open that flyout menu so it doesn't fly back into the ribbon. If I unpin that now, you'll notice it goes back into the ribbon again. So if you need to use those commands a lot more than just the once, what you would do, flyout menu, pin it open, and then it stays open for you to use. Now, the other thing with the panels is sometimes you want to make sure that you're using information on one panel, but you're in a different tab on the ribbon. So you'll notice if I go to the Insert tab on the ribbon, I don't have the Draw panel, but I may need it. So that's where you can utilize a wonderful little thing called Sticky Panels. So I'll go back to the Home tab and I'm going to click and drag on the Draw panel, and you'll notice it comes out into the drawing area. If I release the mouse now, that now just sits there as what they call a sticky panel. It's a bit like a post-it note. You've kind of post-it noted it into the drawing area. But the good thing is I can now go to the Insert tab and work in the Insert tab on the ribbon, but I've got all my draw tools here on the sticky panel. Now, one of the really weird things about this is I'm in the Insert tab on the ribbon. So if I now hover over my sticky panel, my draw panel, and click on this little icon here, Return Panels to Ribbon, you would think it's going to now go into the Insert tab on the ribbon. It doesn't. It disappears. If I go back to the Home tab, there's my Draw panel. It's back where it should be. So those sticky panels are a really useful tool if you've got panels that you want to use on a regular basis that need to be non-tab specific on the AutoCAD ribbon.